In a world where we all became tiny squares on a screen, one company turned chaos into a $100 billion opportunity. Zoom video communications wasn't just a tool for remote work. It became the very fabric of our social lives. But how did a small startup with a funny name become a giant in the communication industry? And where does it stand today, in a world slowly stepping out of its digital bubble? The pandemic surge, a meteoric rise. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in early 2020 saw Zoom become a household name, with its user base and revenue skyrocketing as people worldwide transitioned to remote work and learning. The company saw unprecedented growth, with daily meeting participants increasing from 10 million in December 2019 to over 300 million by April 2020. During this period, Zoom's market cap soared to over $100 billion, making it one of the most valuable tech companies globally. This extraordinary growth was not just a fluke, but a result of Zoom's ability to meet the sudden and massive demand for reliable video communication. In fiscal year 2021, Zoom reported revenues of nearly $2.7 billion, an increase of over 326% from the previous year, showcasing the company's capacity to scale rapidly. The company's share price also hit record highs as investors flocked to this new tech darling, eager to capitalize on what seemed like a never-ending upward trajectory. Financial overview: growth amidst stabilization. As of September 2024, Zoom's financial landscape has shifted from explosive growth to steady stability. The company reported total revenue of $4.527 billion for the fiscal year 2024, representing a modest 3.1% increase year over year. This growth is primarily driven by enterprise customers, with enterprise revenue reaching $2.619 billion, up 8.7% from the previous year. The slight decline in online revenue, which includes individual and small business subscriptions, reflects the post-pandemic reality where many people have returned to in-person activities. Despite the slower growth, Zoom's consistent revenue generation highlights its resilience and ability to adapt to changing market conditions. The company's focus on long-term contracts with large enterprises has provided a stable foundation, allowing it to weather the decline in casual users and maintain a strong market presence. Profitability and cash flow. A strong financial position. Despite the challenges, Zoom has maintained strong profitability, a key indicator of its financial health. For fiscal year 2024, the company reported a GAAP income from operations of $525.3 million, up from $245.4 million in fiscal year 2023. This improvement in profitability is attributed to better cost management and a shift towards higher-margin enterprise products. On a non-generally accepted accounting principles basis, income from operations was $1.775 billion, with a non-generally accepted accounting principles operating margin of 39.2%, demonstrating the company's ability to generate significant earnings from its operations. Net income for the year was $637.5 million, with non-generally accepted accounting principles net income totaling $1.608 billion, reflecting Zoom's strong operational efficiency. Additionally, Zoom's free cash flow for the year was $1.472 billion, up 24.1% from the previous year, highlighting the company's strong cash generation capabilities, which provide the flexibility to invest in new growth areas and return value to shareholders. Stock market performance. A roller coaster ride. Zoom's stock price has experienced significant volatility over the past few years, reflecting the broader market's fluctuating sentiment towards tech stocks. After peaking during the pandemic, Zoom's share price has since declined as the company adjusted to a post-pandemic world, where the extraordinary demand for video conferencing has normalized. As of September 3, 2024, Zoom's stock is trading at around $69 per share, a significant drop from its pandemic highs when investor enthusiasm was at its peak. This volatility is indicative of the challenges that Zoom, like many other tech companies, faces in maintaining growth momentum in a post-pandemic environment. However, the company's ability to stabilize its market cap at $21.28 billion up 9.41% over the past year, shows that it is not just a one-hit wonder. The market has recalibrated its expectations, but Zoom remains a key player in the tech industry, with a focus on sustainable growth and profitability. Enterprise focus, shifting gears for long-term success. One of the key strategies Zoom has employed to maintain its market position is a shift towards enterprise customers. Recognizing that the casual, free-tier users who drove its initial boom were not sustainable revenue sources, Zoom has pivoted to focus on large organizations willing to pay for premium services. In 2024, the company reported having over 220,000 enterprise customers, a 3.5% increase from the previous year. These large-scale customers now represent the bulk of Zoom's revenue, providing a more stable and predictable income stream. The enterprise focus has also allowed Zoom to introduce more tailored services, such as advanced security features, which are critical for businesses operating in sensitive industries like finance and healthcare. This pivot was crucial as the demand from individual users and small businesses began to decline post-pandemic. By focusing on enterprise solutions, Zoom has been able to offer more robust, integrated, and secure communication tools, which are essential for large organizations and have become a cornerstone of its strategy to drive long-term growth. AI integration, Zoom's bet on the future. Zoom isn't resting on its laurels. In 2024, the company launched its AI Companion, a suite of artificial intelligence tools designed to enhance user experience and streamline virtual communication. These tools include automated meeting summaries, real-time transcriptions, and intelligent task suggestions, all aimed at improving productivity and reducing meeting fatigue. The integration of AI is a strategic move to differentiate Zoom from its competitors, who are also enhancing their platforms with AI capabilities. By investing in AI, Zoom is positioning itself to stay ahead of the curve in an industry that is increasingly relying on technology to optimize workflows and enhance user engagement. The AI Companion represents Zoom's vision for the future, a world where virtual meetings are not just a substitute for face-to-face interactions, but an enhanced experience altogether. This AI-driven approach is aimed at increasing productivity, reducing meeting fatigue, and making virtual communication even more seamless, ensuring that Zoom remains relevant as work environments continue to evolve. Competitive landscape, navigating challenges. Despite its success, Zoom faces intense competition from all sides, with tech giants like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Cisco WebEx all vying for dominance in the same space. These competitors have significantly improved their offerings in recent years, integrating their video conferencing tools with other enterprise solutions to create comprehensive ecosystems. Microsoft Teams, for instance, has the advantage of being bundled with the Microsoft 365 suite, making it a natural choice for many organizations. Google Meet is seamlessly integrated with Google Workspace, while Cisco WebEx offers robust security features favored by large enterprises. Zoom's challenge will be to continue innovating and expanding its product offerings while maintaining its user-friendly interface, which has been a key differentiator. To stay competitive, Zoom will need to focus on its strengths: simplicity, reliability, and innovation, while also finding new ways to add value for its users. Diversification, expanding the Zoom ecosystem. To sustain its growth, Zoom has diversified its product portfolio. Beyond its core video conferencing service, the company has introduced Zoom Phone, a cloud-based phone system, and Zoom Rooms, which are designed for seamless video conferencing in physical meeting spaces. Additionally, Zoom Events was launched to cater to the growing demand for virtual and hybrid events. These products are aimed at creating a more integrated communication experience, allowing Zoom to appeal to a broader range of business needs and solidifying its position as a one-stop shop for communication solutions. Global expansion, Zoom's international footprint. Zoom's international expansion continues to be a key growth driver as the company taps into markets where digital communication is still on the rise. The focus is on establishing a strong presence in regions with developing digital infrastructures, such as Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where the adoption of remote work tools is still gaining momentum. by localizing its product offerings to cater to different languages and cultural contexts. Zoom is building a strong global brand that resonates with a diverse user base. This international strategy is not just about increasing market share, but also about diversifying revenue streams to reduce dependency on the US market. As global businesses increasingly embrace remote work and hybrid models, Zoom's international footprint positions it well to capitalize on these trends, ensuring that it remains a relevant and essential tool for communication worldwide. And that's the fascinating journey of Zoom, from its meteoric rise during the pandemic to its stabilization in the competitive tech landscape today. If you found this video insightful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.